Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change the logo on your WordPress website using the new site editor. Yes, that means if you're using a modern block theme like 2026, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to swap out your site's logo for a fresh one right inside your header in just a few minutes. Let's dive straight in and get your site looking just the way you want. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Don't worry if you're not super familiar with all the new updates, I'll walk you through each click. On the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and select Editor. This is where the magic happens. The site editor is designed to give you complete visual control, so everything you'll need is right here. Once the editor loads, you'll see a preview of your website. This is a live version, so you can interact with your site as if you were a visitor. Take a moment to find your current header section at the top of the page. You'll either see your existing logo or the site title as plain text. Just click directly on whichever is showing there. If you have a logo already, it'll highlight with a blue outline and a little floating toolbar will pop up right above or below the image. Now, if you already have a logo in place, look for the Replace button on that small toolbar. This is your gateway to uploading a brand new image. Click it, and you'll get a choice to select something from your media library, handy if you've already uploaded your new logo, or you can drag and drop a fresh file straight from your computer. If you haven't set a logo previously, you'll want to click the plus block inserter button, usually found at the top left or near where your header blocks are. Search for Site Logo, then drag that block right into your header area. Picture it like adding a puzzle piece right where you need it. When you upload or select your new logo, try to use a transparent PNG or SVG file. Why? Transparent backgrounds usually blend seamlessly with your site's colors, and SVGs will stay super crisp on screens of any size, no blurry edges. Once your logo appears in the header, you can adjust its size directly. Just click on the image and you'll notice blue dots on the corners. Click and drag these gently to make the logo bigger or smaller until you like how it looks. Don't rush here, finding the perfect size really makes your branding pop, and sometimes a little subtlety goes a long way. Take a moment to double-check how your header feels. Does the logo look balanced? Is it clear on both light and dark backgrounds if your site uses them? If it looks off, don't worry, you can always adjust the size or even try a different version of your logo. Once you're happy with the new look, it's time to save your changes. Head up to the top right corner and hit the Save button. The site editor will prompt you to confirm, just click through and that's it. Refresh your public site in a new tab to admire your brand new look. And there you go. You've just updated your WordPress logo using the latest block-based tools. No coding needed, no headaches. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you get stuck or have questions about the process, drop them down in the comments. I always check and I'm happy to help. And if you want more easy, step-by-step WordPress tutorials, hit that subscribe button and we'll keep building together. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.